Hello friends, welcome to Java logging and IO tutorial. In this video we are going to learn the basics of Java IO packages. Here you will get an overview of what is streams, input streams and output streams, and what is readers and writers. So legacy Java SDK, say 1.2, for example 1.3, uses java.io packages and the API functions and classes inside this package. So this package is available with the later version also, say 1.6, 1.7, 1.8 and even after that. And this version have extended package. So these versions will have java.io packages as well as java.nio packages. So this nio is added on 1.6, and if you look for this java.nio package on 1.2 and 1.3, it will not be available there because it was introduced in the later version of Java. So Java IO packages are organized under some categories, and let's look at some of the IO groups or categories. So there are API classes for handling the files. So we can call this as a files related package. After that we will be having a stream related package, and that's divided into input streams and output streams. So streams are nothing but sequence of bytecodes. So usually these bytecodes are represented as numbers, and each one will denote some special character or character. So since it's a number, we can say it will occupy, or it can be represented as a bit pattern. So the bit pattern will be converted and will be kept as a number. Readers and writers will store stream of characters. Here you can see characters like A, B, K, hash, 9, just an example. So stream of byte or byte code, and readers and writers are stream of ASCII characters or text characters. Then we also have buffer. So these are all the groups of file related classes, stream related classes, readers and writers. So here stream means input stream and output stream. We call something as an input stream when the data is input to the program. Let's say you are writing a Java application, and through input stream you can read data from a variety of IO package medium. So similarly, when you deliver something or when you write something to the stream, or okay, for now we will consider it as a stream, we will count this, we will say this as a output stream, and when we read something we call that as an input stream. So based on the data format we can say input stream or readers. Similarly, this one will be called as writer. So if the chain of data is represented as character, we call it as a reader or writer based on whether the data is flowing into the application or flowing out of application. So it may not be inside application or outside application also. For easy understanding I told like that, and you can see input stream can be attached to some other stream of data also. So once you progress through this series you will get a clear picture of this stuff. For now you can just remember what are all the categories: streams, chain of bytecode, readers and writers, chain of characters, then buffer. Buffer means a memory buffer, and data is can be fed to the application, or from application it can be written to some buffer. So input buffer and output buffer. So here it's the category input buffer and output buffer, and it is decided based on the movement of data. Data is retrieved from a memory, so input buffer. Data is returned to the memory, output buffer. So streams are a representation of chain of data. Not only stream, even reader and writer also a chain of data. For example, chain of bytes is called byte stream. Java IO package provides many input and output stream classes, and we will see some of the examples in the next coming videos on this course. Readers and writers are used to handle text-based data. Reader classes are used for input. Writer classes are used for output. But when you consider the stream, the class name itself appended with input and output. Usually the input and output are suffixed with the class. Say for example, byte array input stream. Through stream, Java program performs data exchange. Or through reader or writer, again Java performs data exchange. Data exchange can be seen as keyboard to a program. That's also a kind of data exchange. Program to console window. Data is moving from the program to the console window. File, data is present in the file to program. That means you are reading some content from the file, and the data movement is from file to your program. Program to network or network port. So that's also a stream of data. From program through some network port, the data will be streamed and wired to a next computer system that's listening on a particular port. So there is no demo here. Here we just learned some of the basics of Java IO API package, and what is a stream, what is writer, and how the classes will be organized in terms of files, streams, and readers and writers. Thank you for watching. Bye.